friends, it's the stitches. You know what the utter worst thing ever is? Fake pockets. So today, I'm going to show you how to sew real pockets into the fake ones. Start by using a seam ripper to open up where the two pieces of the fake pocket meet. And measure the width of that space and cut 4 squares of fabric to fit your pocket dimensions. I'm using some stretchy scrap fabric. This is a great project for that. Build your pocket by sewing 2 pieces right sides together on 3 sides. Now turn this inside out, don't worry about turning the corners, and carefully pin it into the section where a pocket should have been in the first place. Now carefully stitch this in place either by hand or with a machine. This is actually a really good project for practicing good, strong hand stitching, but I'm way too impatient for that. Congrats! It's a pocket now! To give it that totally professional look, replace your top stitching that you seamed rip out to finish up your project. The process can be tedious, but I think we can all agree that fake pockets suck, and real ones dramatically improve your life. That's all I have for you today. I hope everyone has a good day, and I hope my client appreciates having bright polka dot pockets, because I actually only told her that I was turning them into pockets. I didn't say what they'd look like. I'll see you all next time. Bye!